Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is the shoe dryer. If you can see, for the one that we got right here is a brand called Everlasting Comfort. And right here they do provide some specs and features about the product. And in the bottom right here they do mention how it does provide you guys attachment option that allow you guys to put in your helmet, which is really convenient, especially when you guys go snowboarding. And if you guys turn on the side right here, they also provide some more specs about the product as well. But that is basically everything that's on the box. Now I'm going to open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So when you guys do open up, you can see how it's all well protected. But let's take it out. So the first thing inside, they do provide the user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. So once you guys do take it out, you can see how it's all neatly wrapped up. But let's take out the wrapper as well. So as I'm taking out the wrapper, there's actually a lot of accessory inside. So take it all out. So right here is the first one. So this is one attachment you can put on top that you can probably put like a boot or something. And I love the way how they design it, so that way it is adjustable depending on what you guys do put on here, which is really convenient. The next one that's inside, this one looks like it's designed for helmet. If you see the way how they design it, they do have a bunch of holes on here, so that way when it does blow the hot air in or the warm air, it'll help you guys dry really fast. And then right here we do have the last accessory. If you guys do take it out, this is what the last thing looks like. So I'm assuming this is probably for the bottom of the feet when you guys do set it up, since they do provide guys for them. And it looks like that's pretty much everything inside. So now let's check out the product. So once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So in the front we do have the brand name. Right here we do have two switch. So this switch right here is for heat or no heat, and this is for ozone. But basically when you guys do turn it on, all you need to do is just turn this part right here to what you guys want to use, because that's basically the timer option. So the max is 180, next one is 150, next one is 120, and then 90, and then 60, and then 30. And then once it's done, it will turn off by itself. I love the way how they design it because they do give you guys a handle for you to carry around really easily. But basically for the front part right here, I don't think I can do anything on here. So all you need to do is put your glove inside or shoe on here. For the back part is basically where you can put on the accessory. So let's say for example, if you guys want to put this one, you just want to insert it in like this. Once you guys got it in, this is what it looks like for this one. If you guys want to use the other one, just insert it in. So just like that. But probably what you guys want to do is extend it, because with this part right here, you guys can pull it out. So just like this. So once you guys do pull it out, that is basically how far it can go. So if you guys try again, that is what the product should look like once you guys do extend it. Same thing apply to the other side. If you guys do pull it out, that will basically lock it in. And then for the front one, you do have the option to extend as well. Same thing for this one. And if you guys want to push it back down, you basically want to press the button on the side. Same thing for the back ones. So very easy and very simple for us to use it. And then right here in the back, you can see we do have a cable. And the way how they design it allow you guys to wrap the cable around it, so that way to keep it organized, which is pretty cool. And then right here is basically what the bottom part looks like. You can see how they do have the non-slip material, so that way when you guys do set it up, it won't move around. But I mentioned earlier they do provide the accessory for you to put it in the bottom. So if you guys do put it in and turn it, that will basically lock it in place. Same thing for all the other ones. So you definitely have the option to use like that if you guys do want to. And if you guys are curious about the benefit of using this option, it's basically like a drip tray. So that way when you guys do dry it, all of the liquid can fall down right here, which is pretty cool. And in terms of the drying time when you guys do use it, it really depends on how wet your product is and what the product is. Whether it's like a boot, a shoe, your glove, or whatever, everything is different. So the time may vary when you guys do use it. But I mentioned for most product when you guys do put it on here, it should dry within 80 minutes, depending on which setting you guys use, whether you guys use heat or no heat. And it's actually really cool how it does have the ozone option, so that way it can help you guys eliminate any kind of like odor or sanitize the shoe as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let's plug it in to test it out to see if it actually works. Alright, so we got it plugged in. If you guys turn it on, once you guys do turn it on, if it in here it does work, what you're gonna do is just put your shoe inside in order for it to start working. But right now when I do use it, I can definitely feel only cold air. Let me turn the heat option and see what happens. So now let's try again. So after a few seconds, I can start to feel the heat starting to build up already. It's starting to get warm. If I feel this one's also starting to feel a little bit warm. And now it's starting to feel a lot more warmer. So I guess when you guys use the product, it definitely takes some time to dry it. It won't dry immediately because it doesn't use like really hot air. It uses like warm air to kind of dry it. So when you guys do wrap your shoe or your glove inside, it will definitely help you guys dry it. because even right now when I turned it off, I can still feel the warmth that's on here. And like I mentioned, the cool thing about this product is the fact that it does have the ozone option. So even if your shoe is dry and there's like a lot of odor in your shoe, you guys can definitely put it on here to help you guys sanitize it and remove any kind of odor if there is any in your shoe. And once you guys are done using it, you do want to let it cool down, because when I do feel the bottom part of the actual product, it definitely feels pretty warm. So whether if you guys want to use it for your shoe, your boot, your garment, your clothes, or anything else, that is totally up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality shoe or boot dryer that can help you guys dry and also sanitize and remove any odor from your shoe, your garments, or anything else. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.